we choose the music one, the one that we want. We have different options. For example, we will choose this one, and after I choose number 2, just random. I don't need to choose like different motions. 3, 4, 5. After we put everything, we're going to synchronize, So the robot is going to start to recognize which are the cars. And according to the combination, the robots are set to move. For example, I don't like the music. I wanted to change to different music. You can do it also. For example, the first one was the music one, right? Do you have any preference? Sure. Okay. And then let's change some of the motions, to do different motions. Just give me
motion. Yeah.
Okay. Give me one more.
Okay.
Okay, one more. Now you press here the synchronize button. Yeah, that one. Now the music changed, Yeah. And also, you have to read analyze, but also the motion has changed.